Welcome to Friday's edition of Daily Monster Truck Racing. We have Radical Racer up to try to get 10 points today. Once again, please leave a comment and let me know how many points you think he's going to get. I will face him up against Roger Dodger to start with. And then next on fourth, and so on. The same 10 trucks have faced all week. Those 4 trucks have faced these same trucks. We got 7 points with the 5 alarm. We have 8 points with the Hot Wheels Special Forces truck. Then we got 10 points with the T-Rex, and we got 10 points with the Iron Man. And if we get 10 points today, there's going to be a 3-way drag race. Best 2 out of 3 to see who gets the number 1 spot. So if Radical Racer wins all 10, he gets to be part of that 3-way drag. If not, there's only a 2-way drag for the Monster Truck of the Week. So let's get these 2 racked and see what kind of points he gets. Alrighty, we got Roger Dodger in the left lane. We got Radical Racer in the right. Nope.
Lane 5.
Looks like he got his point. Let's see what we get. I'm going to go back and double check that one. After going back and looking at it, Roger Dodger did not give up a point. Roger Dodger took the point. So now we got 0 points so far. So we will not have a 3-way tie for first place. Let's roll with this race number 2, Darth Vader. Alrighty, we got Radical Racer in the right lane. I'm sorry, that's the left lane. And then we got Darth Vader in the right. Let's roll. Radical Racer got that one.
Lane 2.
He got those points. Next up, none other than Bigfoot himself. Alrighty, we got in the right lane, Radical Racer. In the left lane, we got Bigfoot. Let's roll to see who gets the win. You're gonna have to double check that one too. Bigfoot did get that win. If you go back and look at it in slow-mo, I don't have slow-mo unless I record in slow-mo. I haven't been that advanced yet. But anyway, next we got Wonder Woman. Let's get them racked. Alrighty, we got Radical Racer in the left lane. We got Wonder Woman in the right. Let's see if he gets a point here. Nope. He got a little off track. Well, next we got Plankton. Alrighty, we got Plankton in the left lane. We got Radical Racer in the right. Let's see if he gets this point. And he does.
Winner, lane 5.
Good job. Finally gets a point. Next, we got Chewy. Alrighty, we got Chewy in the left lane. Sorry, Chewy in the right lane. We got Radical Racer in the left. No, he came back and got his point. You guys see that? That was a great race. Let's push him all the way through. Next we got Category 5. Let's roll. Alrighty, Radical Racer versus Category 5. I think I'm going to stop calling the lanes left and right just so I don't get confused anymore. But anyway, we got Radical Racer versus Category 5. Let's see if he gets another point. Oh yeah.
Winner, lane 2.
He went on through that one. Next we got Spongebob. Alrighty, we got Spongebob And then we got Radical Racer. Let's see if Radical Racer gets another point. No, he does not. Spongebob took that. He's only got 4 points so far as they're tearing up the start gate. Alrighty, next race, Hot Wheels number 3. Only 2 races left for the week of the start of Monster Truck Daily Racing. Alrighty, we got Hot Wheels number 3 versus Radical Racer. Second to last chance to get a point. And he got his point. Set that over there. We got Twin Mill next. Alrighty, we got the last race on Friday before Monday starts. Next we have Radical Racer versus Twin Mill. Radical Racer's out front and he takes the point. Alrighty. He has a total of 6 points. A total of 6 points. Alrighty, with 6 points, he comes in 5th. We got 7 points from Thursday. Wednesday, we have 8 points. Tuesday, we got 10 points. And then on Monday, we had another 10 points. So we got a drag race to see who is the points champion for this week. Let's get them racked. We have Iron Man versus T-Rex to see who gets the points championship for the week. Starting from Monday with Iron Man, he had a total of 10 points. And then for Tuesday, T-Rex come through and got it. Only 5 wins, so that gave him only 10 points. He could have won more and flat out won it in the points, but he couldn't do it. So we'll see if he can do it today and take the win. Iron Man got it. I go back and double check, but Iron Man is the overall winner with 11 points. Let's roll. Alright, week 1 winner was none other than Iron Man, in which I've already retired him into the box. That way I don't get them mixed up with anything. All 10 trucks plus all 5 that was into the race last week. This week we start with Bigfoot. Then we have racing Hot Wheels Racing Blue. Then we got the Zombie. We got the Wienermobile. We got the Hawk. We have this Motorsaurus. We have the Alien Patrol. Then we have the Zombied Dragon. Then we have Zombied El Toro Loco. We have the Black Bone Shaker Flame Edition. And then we got none other than Operation Stomp. We'll see if they can't stop Bigfoot from getting 10 points. See you guys on Monday.